All right, we are braving the crazy weather today. We had a total rainstorm and now the sunshine's out, but we're gonna go for a walk on the jetty at Iona Beach. We've never actually been to the jetty before, so we're gonna give it a try. Hopefully we don't get blown off. Sitting here for a break. We're in one of the wind buildings that they have up here on the jetty that allows you to get out of the wind if it's a little bit too much. Okay.
I hear no nothing and say it's so cool. Anyway. Bye!
Okay, come on. Hey, bring it to Mommy. Thanks. I get it. Towards us right now, so we're gonna turn around and head back. Okay, we're basically outrunning the rain, which is why I'm out of breath. We're right on the edge of it, so we're almost back to the car and we can get in before the downpour hits, hopefully. Well, we made it back to the car just in time. The rain is starting to really come down now, so we made it, although I'm still out of breath. Woo! But we also are coming back with some cool treasures. Look what we found. Cool. All right, we decided to stay for a little bit longer because we wanted to see the storm come in. And my goodness, it's coming in like crazy right now. The wind is gusting so hard and it is so black out. So we're gonna watch it for a bit. There's no trees around us, so we're safe. And then we're gonna head home. Wow, now it's hailing. What a crazy storm.
Splash! Splash! Water!
Wow, this is the craziest storm that we've seen in a long time. We're gonna head home now and hopefully everyone gets home and everyone's safe and there's no major damage done. We'll see you next time, guys.